Tired of manual Cricket wireless payments? Let's unlock effortless bill management with VTB Setup right now. First, grab your smartphone or head to your computer and open your web browser. Navigate to the official Cricket Wireless website. You'll want to find the Sign In or My Account section. Go ahead and enter your Cricket Wireless login, credentials, your username and password. Once you're logged into your Cricket Wireless account, look for a section labeled Billing, Payments, or Account Management. This is where you'll find the options to manage how you pay your bill. Click on that area to proceed. Within the billing section, you should see an option to add payment method, link bank account, or specifically, virtual terminal banking or VTB setup. Click on this to begin the process of connecting your bank account. Now, for the secure part, you'll be prompted to enter your online banking information. This is usually your bank's website username and password. Cricket Wireless uses VTB to securely access your bank for payments. So rest assured, this is a protected process. Enter your bank login details carefully. After entering your bank credentials, your bank system will likely ask you to confirm linking the account. You might also need to select which specific bank account you want to use for your Cricket Wireless payments. If you have multiple, confirm the connection. Great job! You should now see your bank account listed as a payment method in your Cricket Wireless account. You can typically set this linked account as your default payment method, meaning your Cricket bill will automatically be paid from this account each month. This VTB setup means no more remembering due dates or manually entering card details. Your Cricket Wireless payments will be handled automatically and efficiently. Enjoy the convenience.